Hi guys, hi everyone. I want to welcome you all to another episode of Vlogmas. I think we are on episode 5 of our Vlogmas. Yeah, welcome back. This is Sio's Lifestyle. My name is Sionela Makula for those who are new to this channel, and you guys are welcome to call me Sia for short. So today is a Saturday. I think it's the 14th of December 2024. I just uploaded another vlog. I started vlogging yesterday, which was Friday. And today is the next day. I closed off the vlog, which I edited and I've uploaded. So if you haven't watched that vlog, please do, when you have a moment or when you have a chance, please do maybe go back and watch the vlog and just show some love by giving it a thumbs up or liking it, commenting and subscribing if you haven't yet subscribed. So today might actually we're gonna go to the shops now. We've run out of the fruits, like your fruits. I wanna add 2-liter milk. What else? Fruits, maybe some veg. Yeah, onions are finished because we didn't buy onions at month end. We had a few, so we just want to add some onions, 1 or 2 veggies, fruit, and then bread and milk, and maybe some relish. So that's where we're heading at now. So we just want to add a few items. So maybe we're gonna go to Food Lovers, we'll see, or Pick and Pay. We're gonna see where we decide to go. But also I'm interested to go to maybe Macro or Builders. I'm looking for a blind. I'm looking for a blind for my bathroom, and I also would like to see how much a blind would cost as well for my daughter's room. I am in my daughter's room because I do want to change a curtain and put a blind in the future, but I want to see if maybe I can get one for the bathroom so long, because in the bathroom we don't have anything there, but also we are upstairs and it is a bit dim. But I would like to get a blind for the bathroom. So yeah, so we're gonna see if we can find something. We actually did look yesterday at Game, but we couldn't find anything, so we decided we'll go today. So yeah, that's where we're gonna go today. So we'll take you guys with me. This morning I was so busy. I woke up, I finished off the other vlog, I then did some laundry. I think I mentioned in the previous vlog, I decided to look through my daughter's wardrobe for some of her old clothes or old items, some which we are gonna throw away. Old books, because there's so many books even from previous grades. So I said, let's get rid of stuff we don't need, just to help organize it a bit better. And then I packed the new items that she bought yesterday. So that's what I did this morning. And then there are some clothes which are decent, which we're going to give away, and some old shoes we're going to give away. Some people, they do appreciate some of the items, as long as they're still in a decent condition for someone to use. Okay, so we got the blinds that we're looking for at builders. We got 2 blinds. So we bought one for Ace's room and then we bought one for the bathroom. The small one was 185 and 50 cents. Then the big one was 251 rand and 50 cents. They are on promotion because they said they're discontinuing the blinds. So we just decided to take 2. Yeah, because we thought we were going to buy one, because when we went at game yesterday, they are selling for like 600, 700, 1000, like crazy prices. So we took 2 because we just realized that they're not going to restock anymore. They said they are discontinuing. So we took 2. I'm going to show you that, guys. So yeah, so we're going to try and install that. At least we do have a driller. We'll try to figure that out. I'll probably vlog that. We'll just update you on that. Yeah, let me actually show you the blinds quickly. Here's the guys. So these are the blinds. We bought, like, is it the brownish? I don't know what color this is, but it's like the brownish color. This long one is going to be for Ace's room. This one was the one for 251 rand and 50 cents. This one was for 185 and 50 cents. This one is for the bathroom. So these are the blinds. Anyway, let me quickly pack this up and then we're just gonna make something to eat. Yeah. You wanna help us in? Dish up. I'm starving. I don't know if you guys eat Hungry Lion, but since I discovered Hungry Lion, I feel like KFC nje iphumile kuye. Like, I don't eat KFC as much. I don't know. I mean, obviously KFC is KFC, you know what I mean? But since I discovered Hungry Lion, I don't go to KFC as much as before. So I don't know, guys. We go Hungry Lion and they have more chips. And I just got big bite 2 pieces and chips per person. So I bought this times 10. Everyone has their own. I don't know if others wanna eat with bread or what, but you know, guys, I wanna have it with the croissant. I got a croissant from we got a croissant from Food Lovers, so I'm gonna have to ask them. I've already washed my hands, by the way. I don't know, we're just feeling tired. So we just knew that we don't have the energy to cook, and then we stopped by. And this is only it's like, how much? It's 40 rand, same as the streetwise 2 price. And I like that everybody gets a thigh and the drumstick. because we like that jam. Baby, are you having bread or croissant?
Croissant.
Who else want to know song about your croissant? I'm assuming everybody's gonna have a croissant. That's it, guys, and then that's our dinner. So it's all looking like this. Croissant with 2 pieces and chips. And we're probably gonna have it with juice. Catch up with you guys later on. Just wanna eat. Guys, I just finished eating. Chongan. I could not finish. I left this piece. I could not finish. I left this piece. It died. So guys, it's too filling. Chips is hungry lion guys. I don't know if you guys have tried their wings. Wings zabo are literally inyama. It's not wings, it's like chicken pieces. I don't know if that makes sense. It was so filling. So I'll just keep that. I don't know when. So now I'm gonna have to drink some water. The Sally green tea. Because it's and cheese. I'm gonna have some green tea. My little girl bought me some green tea. Yeah, cheese I got. I love a green tea. Just to toba. So I'm gonna have some green tea and then drink my water. Just in please. I could not finish that food. I just had a croissant. I finished a croissant, and then obviously I finished the chips, and then I only had the drumstick. I vomit. I can get like in a suit. I'm full. So now I'm just gonna drink a green tea. This is green tea. Does never banana. Where's a green tea, Jan? Yeah, so I'm gonna have a green tea. Yeah, and I'm just gonna chill. I think we'll install the blinds tomorrow because we all are tired. Yeah, so yeah, we'll continue this vlog tomorrow. Let's catch up tomorrow. Hey guys, so it is the next day of this vlog, Sunday, so we're heading to the gym now. I might vlog a bit at the gym. I'll see how it goes, but I just thought I should update you. I'll check up with you guys later on. I hope you guys are still good. I hope you guys are still enjoying this vlog. Please do like, comment, and please do subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Yeah, we'll catch up later. So guys, I just want to update y'all. Just came back from the gym. So I quickly bathed, showered. I took a shower. So now I'm just gonna make breakfast, something to eat. The time is, it's 10 o'clock in the morning. Just want to quickly have something to eat. So I just made, these are bran flakes with milk, and then I put the yogurt. I don't want to put a lot of milk, but I think I need to add a bit more. Bran flakes with yogurt. And then also, I'm probably going to make some green tea. So that's my breakfast. Well, David decided that he wants to quickly figure out how to install the blinds. I'm going to show you guys when that is done. So he's busy now with the blinds. So he decided to do that before he baths or he eats. So yeah, that's what I'm just making for myself. I think Omela is eaten. Then also I decided to warm up my piece of chicken from yesterday. I don't know why I put it in such a big container, but this is my leftover from yesterday. Yeah, so I'm gonna eat now. And then after, I have quite a bit of things to do. There's washing from yesterday, which was washed. There's like a whole lot of laundry that we're gonna have to fold. Probably gonna do that. I also want to just clean up a bit, sweep and mop the lounge and the dining, because yesterday I focused on the bedrooms, the 2 bedrooms and the bathroom. So yeah, so I'm gonna be doing that. And then I also want to cook. I took out the sausage already, but I'm not gonna cook with you guys or clean with you guys. I think it's just gonna be dragging on for too long. But when I'm probably done cooking or when I dish up, I'm gonna cook for probably lunch, or yeah, I'm gonna probably show you. But I'm just gonna make sausage, pap, beans, maybe like a salad, but I'll probably show you that later when we're eating or when I dish up. But yeah, so let me have breakfast and then I'll clean up and all of that. But yeah, I'll catch up with you guys later on. So guys, I just want to quickly show you the blinds. David is actually done installing them, so I just want to show you how it looks quickly. So there it is. You can see the blind, it does overlap a bit, but this was the size that made sense for us or for this place, because the measurements was 850 by 850. Is it mm? So the ones we got are 1000 by 1000. 1000 by 1000, hence it overlaps, but I'm okay with how it sits. So it's the same, guys. So we didn't draw any holes. We used the holes that were there for, what do you call this, for the curtain rails. That's what we used. Yeah, so I'm going to show you in my daughter's room how it looks. And yeah, in my daughter's room, oh no, Sana, it's very bad. So you can see, Paya, the lighting is so bad. You can see there we use the curtain rails in our app, or like kind of the holes where the curtain rail was, so that those holes are starting there on top. So Lena, it is a bit short. You see there's a gap there at the bottom. However, I think obviously we, over time, or maybe after, I don't know, whenever, because also we're planning on doing some renovations in the kitchen. So I'm thinking maybe when we add some cabinets, we want to add some cabinets in the kitchen, you know, when we do that project, because obviously it's our dingy drill, then obviously we will bring that down a bit so that it covers up the space on the bottom. Because now the length is fine. As you can see, there's a big gap on top where the hooks are versus where, yeah, there's a big gap. So if you can bring the holes down a bit, then the space on the bottom is gonna be covered. But it's not a bad space way too, and we are on the first floor, so it's not bad. And you can see it's not like anyone would come around and would see you on the side, because the other units are there on the other side after the kids play area. So right for now, but in future we're going to bring it a bit down and then to cover up the space. But that's how it looks, guys. And if anyone is interested in these, like I said, they're very affordable. I did mention the prices at the start of the video, but on how to install, there was a YouTube video, very simple on yeah, on YouTube. It's someone did it from Builders, so that's what we used as a guide. So yeah, that's it. That's how it looks. I hope you guys can see that. I know the lighting is very bad, and also it's raining outside, so it's very gloomy, but yeah, way too. That is how it looks. At least it sits. And yeah, and the color is perfect. I think even for it, it's good, Nje, for the painting, and also it matches with the brown window frames. So yeah, that's how it looks. But okay, let me go cook now, and then I'll catch up with you guys later on. Look at that. Look at that. Look who's sketching. I think this Chilobetunba, we are taking a sketchbook, but wow, we have an artist here in the family. Look who is sketching. This is why she wanted the sketchbook in the previous vlog, because Abizazba were busy these holidays. This is beautiful, Essie. Sika. Say opaque again, Nike. Say opaque. Wow, Essie's sketches. Hi guys, hi everyone. So just finished cooking. I just want to show you what I cooked quickly. I just dished up, so let me show you. So that is the final meal. Pap, beans, or others would say ichakalaka, and some sausage. So I'm gonna eat now. So I think I'm gonna end this vlog right here. Yeah, I actually did my first live today. I think I'm gonna be trying more of those. So I'm gonna end this vlog right here because I want to connect to other lives and watch other YouTubers or support other ladies. So I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. Thank you if you've watched up until this far. Please do like, comment, share, and please do subscribe if you haven't. Please do consider sharing this channel with your friends and family. Yeah, I'm gonna see you guys on my next one. Please do take care and keep well.